The project classification has a number of choices. The first one is account handling choice, which by default makes the user able to register themselves. They will then get a confirmation email, and if they confirm that one, they are a member and can sign in. The admin, which is chosen here, means that sign in is a little more centralized, where an administrator have to register the users and then users can sign in. In many cases, when you do projects, you have very specific demands for how security should work. So if you at some point want to take over yourself and do hand coding in how these things should work, you can at any given point lock the accounts, which basically means that the whole user system, the login, etc., will not be copied or from the generator to your source code. At that point, you're in charge of the source code and things are fine. The date format and the time format is basically how internationally we write these things and how they will show up in a pop-up date field. The upload folder, we have three choices. We can have a folder structure that is user, project, schema, table. We can have one that is called project, schema, table, and we can have one which is controlled on when things are updated. The last two I urge you to fill out, but that's more for your own sake. It has nothing to do with the code generator. It's a status, so especially if you have several projects running, you can figure out where you are in the different projects. And the last one is a comma separated keyword field, where you kind of can see what kind of projects you are doing. That was the classification of a project.